The world can be a dangerous place where crime is always a concern. As an enhanced concealed carry permit holder, you are exercising your Second Amendment rights and protecting yourself by carrying a handgun. In your permit class, you learn the basics of pistol operation, legal issues, and safety. But are you really prepared to use your firearm if attacked by a criminal? The next step in your firearm education is learning how to fight with a pistol. Boondock's Defensive Pistol 1 is a comprehensive 2-day class designed to expose you to the fundamentals of fighting with a handgun. Effectively using your pistol to defend yourself begins with mastering the fundamentals of a handgun, including loading, condition checks, combat magazine changes, overcoming malfunctions, and more. Becoming comfortable and confident in your ability to handle a firearm is a primary element of Defensive Pistol 1. As a concealed carry permit holder, you will often be carrying your firearm in a holster. The next element of Defensive Pistol 1 is learning to safely and effectively draw your pistol from that holster. These skills include learning pistol positioning, grip, and the awareness of threats in your area. Next, Defensive Pistol 1 students learn to improve their marksmanship skills, shooting for both accuracy and speed in different situations. Finally, students get an initial exposure to shooting on the move and the attitude to deal with threats in different ways. As a result of completing Boondock's Defensive Pistol 1, the student will be more confident in their attitude, ability, and awareness that it takes to carry a firearm to defend themselves. Now they can progress to more advanced classes. For more information, visit boondocksfta.com. Boondocks Firearms Training Academy. Attitude, ability, awareness.